Welcome! In this video, we're going to explore what it means when the discriminant of a quadratic equation is equal to 0. This is a special case that results in exactly one real solution, also known as a repeated root. First, let's quickly remember the standard form of a quadratic equation. It's written as a x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. The letters b and c are coefficients that we use in our calculations. The discriminant is a powerful part of the quadratic formula. Its formula is b squared minus 4 times a times c. The value we get from this calculation tells us how many solutions the quadratic equation has without having to solve the whole formula. The discriminant can be positive, 0, or negative. If it's positive, we get two different real solutions. If it's negative, we get no real solutions. And if the discriminant is 0, we get exactly one real solution, which is our focus today. When the calculation b squared minus 4c results in the number 0, it's a clear signal. It tells us that the quadratic equation has one and only one real number that can be a solution. This is often called a repeated root because it technically appears twice. Visually, this is very interesting. When you graph a parabola for an equation with one real solution, it doesn't cross the x-axis twice. Instead, its turning point, or vertex, sits perfectly on the x-axis. That single point of contact is the solution. Let's look at the equation x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 0. Here, a is 1, b is negative 6, and c is 9. When we plug these into the discriminant formula, we get negative 6 squared, which is 36, minus 4 times 1 times 9, which is also 36. 36 minus 36 gives us 0. Now, if we look at the graph for y equals x squared minus 6x plus 9, you can see the concept in action. The parabola curves downwards and touches the x-axis at exactly one spot, which is at x equals 3. This is the single, repeated solution. So, let's summarize. When the discriminant is 0, there is one real solution, which is also called a repeated root. On a graph, this means the parabola's vertex touches the x-axis at a single point. It's a perfect balance between having two solutions and no solutions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.